What's up, guys? Welcome to what? What do you want? Welcome to the tutorials. Come here. Welcome to the tutorials. Today we're gonna learn how to boil some water on a kettle. Hey, guys, go. You're the best. Alright guys, so for this you're gonna need one of these to filter the water. If you wish to, you don't have to. And you're gonna need a kettle. To boil the water. Guys, when you guys have water on the kettle, and try not to burn yourselves, like you can see, I fill up all the way to like you guys can see, I filled all the way to the maximum. Can you see it? To the maximum. I'm just gonna cover the kettle, and then you just have to put it on the surface, plug in the power, and just press the button. See? And now we just wait. You guys want pay attention to the sound. Everyone that likes AMS right now should listen to this. This is for you guys that like AMS. AMS lovers. It's taking way too long. It's taking a bit time, but be patient, just like life. Hey, go back to the window, right? So now the water is ready. So you can put on your cup. Mine is the training academy from Altamira. You can check them out. But you put tea or coffee or whatever you want, or hot chocolate, and you just pour it. So you need to be careful, because with some kettles you always have to grip your hair, because if you some kettles you need to be careful, because every time you need to be careful, because some kettles like this one, you need to grab the handle, because if you touch on the metal, it's going to be very hot. So, and try not to lift the lid, yeah. And now you just enjoy your hot beverage. Just just drinking water. It's just hot water. Okay. But you also can enjoy it while outside. Hey.